So this is week 3 of our homework with directionals into the weaves. Blizzard, come buddy, here. Blizzard. Oh, look. Bliss, come on, what do you want to throw along some time? Come on, buddy. Up always. Good boy, yes. Good. Well, almost went over.